In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the number of visitors on your WordPress site. This is an essential skill for anyone managing a WordPress website, whether you're a seasoned blogger, an up-and-coming influencer, or a small business owner looking to optimize your online presence. So let's get right into it. First, you'll want to log in and go directly to your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. From your dashboard, you'll easily access various settings and features of your website. Next, you'll need to click on Add Plugin. This section is crucial because it allows you to enhance your website's functionality by installing new plugins. Once you're in the Add Plugin section, you must type Analytics into the search bar. The search bar is typically located on the right side of your screen. Typing in Analytics will bring up a list of powerful tools designed to help analyze your site traffic, visitor behavior, and more. From the list, you should select Matomo Analytics by Matomo Team. This plugin is robust, providing comprehensive insights about your web visitors. Assuming it's already installed, the next step is to click Activate. Activation is essential because it enables the plugin to start monitoring your site immediately. After activation, navigate back to your dashboard. This time, you'll see Matomo Analytics as part of your menu options. Go ahead and click on it. It's worth noting that loading times might vary, so do be patient if it takes a little while. Once inside the Matomo Analytics dashboard, look for the option that says Enable Tracking Now. This step allows the plugin to start gathering data on your visitors. Take some time to read through the instructions and familiarize yourself with how it works. Understanding the functionality will help you get the most out of the analytics tool. When you're ready to delve deeper into the visitor data, click on Reporting. This section is your gateway to viewing the number of visitors your website has attracted. You'll find detailed reports showing everything from the total number of page views to session durations, allowing you to make informed decisions regarding content and strategy. Finally, as you explore the dashboard, you can observe your website's traffic in real time. This feature gives you insights into how visitors interact with your website at that very moment. It's a fantastic way to understand peak times and popular pages, which can be pivotal for strategic updates or adjustments. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively check and analyze your site's visitor data, ultimately empowering you to tailor your site's experience to meet visitor needs and achieve your online goals. Thank you for watching and happy monitoring.